Right guys, welcome back to the channel. And as you guys know, the whole world is going through some tough troubles. And my country as well, it's a lockdown, so not allowed to get out from our homes unless we are required to, like buy some essentials or something like that. So I've been home for 35 days, not going out anywhere actually. But anyway, the whole point of this video is just to show you guys how you can contribute to the cause of this human malware. I don't want to say the word because I'll get demonetized, so I'm gonna call it human malware for now. But anyway, you guys know what I'm talking about, so we're gonna be showing you guys how to install this software where you can contribute to speeding up the research of find the cure for the human malware virus. So all you need is a desktop or laptop, or basically a computer which has CPU or GPU in it. As long as it's something to process, then that's fine. If you have those things, then we can proceed on to this website, which is called Folding at Home. I think most of you guys already, might have noticed about this website. And it's basically kind of a nice way you can contribute even though you're at home. So you can use this Folding at Home tool to actually use your CPU and GPU power to generate work units for researchers to accelerate their research. So you can just come to this page and you'll see the current folders now, and you can click on download now to get the software, which takes you to this page. So you explain like what you can do, what it's gonna do with your PC. Basically, it's going to idle at in the background, and also it will use the CPU and GPU to process the work units. So all you need to do is just download this exe file, which I'm gonna try now, and it's roughly around 29 MB. It's pretty small. So once done, just open the exe, open it, and you'll be greeted with this wizard. Just accept, agree, and choose express install. And now it's beginning its installation. So let's minimize this. Alright, so it's pretty much it, and now it's actually running already, if I'm not mistaken. So you can just start it, and here's the shortcut to the site. And there's a firewall. Let me just open that. So it's opening up a web browser here, looks like, and this is the UI. So welcome to Folding at Home. So if you're first time doing this thing, they'll be showing you this page. So basically, as I said, it'll be idling in the background in your computer, so you can start folding as anonymous or set up an identity to earn points. So if you quit this browser, it will still run. So for easy access in the future, we recommend you bookmark this page by pressing Ctrl D now if you want to access this page again. So the default settings assume you are using a laptop and set up power usage to be lower than you might want for other computers. You can always make adjustments. So now you can choose you want to fold as anonymous, or you can set up identity. So for me, I'm just going to be anonymous for now and start folding. Alright, so this is the UI. Basically very simple interface. You will get your name here and your team. Currently I don't have any team, and which research you're fighting. So now we are doing any disease which actually contributes to the human malware currently. If you choose the others, you will just contribute to other diseases that's not related to the human malware currently. So over here you can see my CPU now. I think it's not in operation now, but it says ready. I think it's waiting. We're waiting for a work unit to arrive. But anyway, once you get a work unit, it will I think say in progress, and you will see how much points you get per day and total points and the progress of the work unit. Same goes for your GPU. So currently we don't have anything, and you can control the power as well. So if you want light usage on your CPU or your GPU, you can put to light, medium, or full. So if your PC is pretty high end like mine, you can just go full, and you can just click while I'm working. I think it won't even have any much impact on what you're doing from day-to-day basis. If you're concerned about your performance, then just click only when idle. That should do it. So it's so there's a button to stop. If you want to stop it, you can stop. Then you just say stop now. It will just stop folding. So and it's another message here saying if you close the browser, it will still run in the background. So you can see over here we have uh, the app over here. So if I close this, let's say I close this, go back to web control, it's going to open the same page, which is the one I said earlier. So yeah, and so you want to change your identity, you can. Let's say I'm going to put my name. You can put your name. Oops. And if you want to join your team, there is a list of teams here in their website, stats.foldingathome.org/teams. You can find which team you want to join. So I think there's some famous teams like Linus Tech Tips, Overclock.net, and PC Gamer, not mistaken, is in here as well. Tech Pop Up is here as well. So you can just join your team if you want to contribute based on team. So they say Linus Tech Tips is this team. You can just copy, paste, and join. So now we are Linus Tech Tips team, you can see, and you can just start. Just click when I'm working. So we should get a work unit, but I don't see any. Okay, my GPU is now doing something. So I think we should get a work unit soon, but unfortunately we're not getting it now. But eventually you get one to process, and yeah, that's when you start to contribute to this course. And yeah, so I think that's pretty much it for this software and how to install it. If you want to go more into technical details, you can go to the icon here and go to the advanced control. This will take you to the client itself. This is the web client, the client itself. So this is very advanced. If you understand what's all this, then I think you're pretty good at this already actually. But here gives you more information like status, system info. This is my PC status, even logs as well. You can see the logs in detail, and not mistaken, yeah, address, and then you can add more clients to this one as well if you have multiple computers. You can configure. So all these are pretty technical stuff. If you know what you're doing, then yeah, you can come here and check it out. And that, if you don't want this software to run, you can just exit it, and right click, and you can just click quit. You will just close the software. Well, anyway guys, so basically that's how you install it. It's pretty straightforward. So yeah, so folding at home, if you really want to contribute, you can start doing already. Yeah, so at least you can speed up the research process for the human malware. And yeah, so that wraps up this video. So hopefully you guys got an idea and on how to install it, and also yeah, run it on your PC. It's pretty easy. So guys, that's all for this video, and I'm sure most of you guys now are at home, can't go anywhere due to lockdowns and restrictions. So stay safe, stay at home, keep healthy, and obviously don't go out when you don't need to. Just stay at home and yeah, basically work from home or play some games. Yeah, and don't go out. So that's pretty much it guys. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.